Hello, I'm the Cat's Tail, and welcome to another episode of Mafia Definitive Edition. That was a different intro. Oh well, let's roll with it. Last time we became a hitman,
Excellent.
and I don't really enjoy that.
Yeah, it's great, boss.
And this is just a taste. I got a line on a whole shipment of Cameroons that have been impounded by customs. You guys are going to grab them.
You want us to boost cigars?
Something wrong with that? Customers in our nightclubs are paid through the nose for quality cigars.
Still, it seems... I don't know. Small time.
I just knew you were a smart one, Tom. Can't put nothing past you. Small time is exactly right. That's how it's supposed to look anyhow. The cigars are just a cover for a shipment of hot ice. The smuggled diamonds have been hidden in some of the boxes. The feds haven't found them yet.
We're stealing diamonds from the feds?
Don't worry about it. I've already discussed all the details with Sam here. He'll fill you in. Now,
Okay.
I got a meeting with the mayor at his favorite gentleman's club. Work out the details together. But I want those cigars back here before anyone catches on to the real loot. You got it?
Sure, boss.
Great. And don't drink all the good stuff while I'm gone.
Well,
You know about this?
Boss and I worked it out last night. We got a plan. Now, I'm not saying it's a good plan, but it won't get us killed. Probably.
So what?
More
we gotta
murder.
back inside or something?
No. We gotta do this on our own. And it'll be rough. Cigars are packed in crates at the harbor.
Shit. The place will be crawling with security.
Yeah,
Yay.
brute force won't work. Gotta play this one cool. So we're gonna steal a customs truck. Slip right in.
Christ. And kill the poor bastard driver.
No. We'll just scare him a bit. All we need is his paperwork.
Right. We don't need the hassle of dumping a body. Come on. See if we can get eyes on a customs truck down by the docks.
You alright, Tom?
Yeah. Just trying to figure out the angle is up.
What's there to figure? Boss says a job needs doing, we're doing it.
Just seems like a lot to put on a line. Even for some diamonds. If the feds pinch us, we could do serious time.
Hmm.
Then let's make sure we don't get caught. Right?
Well, this has taken a sad turn. We don't really have motivation anymore now. Which is, yeah.
I
Poor
got
Tommy.
gear for the job stashed down near the harbor. If either of yous need something special, go see Vinny.
All I need is a stiff drink.
For Christ's sakes, Paul.
All I need is something with a scope. Sniper, please. Give me the snipe. A snip. A snip the snip.
Risky business tonight, Tom. Take whatever you need.
Yeah, it's a risky biscuit. Bolt action. Do we have a bolt action with a scope? Yeah, bolt action and semi-auto. Auto. Let's take that. Pocket revolver, service revolver. No, I prefer a semi-auto.
You got made. Shaking down stores, whacking small-time punks.
Mhm.
It was a long time ago, huh?
The job don't change, Vinny. One dead guy is the same as the next.
Yep.
Come on. Let's go.
And yet again, I am the driver. Okay.
Will you relax? You're making me nervous playing around with your piece like that.
Sorry. Just got a lot on my mind is all. That show. I'd have figured there wasn't enough room up there.
Go ahead and laugh, assholes. You guys are done. I don't even think I got plans.
But you're wrong.
Yeah, big plans.
Yeah?
Oh,
Spill it then. What are you working on?
yes, I'm quite interested.
Been thinking about hitting up a savings and loan downtown.
You want to rob a bank?
Sure. I've been casing the place for months. I got it all worked out. I just need a few guys I can count on to watch my back.
Robbing a bank, that's a little out of our league.
We're robbing the fucking feds, ain't we? What's the difference?
Salieri's the goddamn difference, you nitwit. The Don sent us to steal these cigars. Ain't no way he sanctions a bank job.
Hmm. Yeah.
Well, then we don't tell them.
You want to step out on the Don?
No. Not really. We can cut him in after we make the score. He'll be bent, sure, but he won't stay mad once he gets his share.
I don't know, Park.
Yeah, I
No.
fucking know. You do what you want. I won't say nothing. Yeah, I owe you that much. But Salieri? Well, he finds out you're going behind his back, you'll be planted right next to Morello. You ask me, there ain't no haul worth that.
He's right, Polly.
Yep.
Bring it to the Don, or let it go.
Yeah. Just get to daydreaming, you know?
Wake up. We're here.
Hmm.
Tom,
Polly is getting
take the
bored.
car. Find a customs truck and meet us near the impound. Me and Polly, we'll go get the rest of the gear.
Right.
Okay.
You got your head together.
Yeah. Sober as a priest.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, quit busting my balls. I'm good.
Good, and forgot his gun. Yay, yeah, ain't gonna happen. Something is definitely going wrong. Alrighty then. Oh, there's one over there. Yeah, let's lockpick it. That way we don't have to kill anyone. Because I don't like to kill. We're still trying to be the good Mafia. Not the bad Mafia. The bad Mafia goes around killing whoever, whenever they want. The good Mafia is, well, nicer in doing business. We don't kill when not necessary. Oh. Well, sometimes the lighting on the water, even though it is very good, looks like there's a car in front of me or like something glitched out. Not sure if that's just me or if other people have the same thoughts. Oh, wee! Drifting with a US Customs. Let's put on the limiter because we're driving near a cop and we're nearing the job. Drive Customs truck to Salmon Pond. How far did they get from me in that time? Damn. Like, I do feel like they walked quite a bit further. Okay, got the truck.
Where's my uniform?
This is all we got, pal. Besides, there's only room for 2 in the cab.
You can ride in the back.
Oh, really?
Make sure you keep your head down or this whole thing is blown.
Forget about it. I know when to keep my head down.
Mm-hmm.
Bet you say that to all the girls.
Come on.
Whoa.
Let's get moving.
All right. Jesus Christ.
Something is gonna go wrong. For sure, I can call it.
You comfortable back there, Tom?
What the hell do
Aye.
you think? What's the plan when we get to the impound?
I don't know. We look for crates that came from Cameroon or something. The cigar place.
You
Mm-hmm.
know how big the impound is?
Relax. It'll be empty this time of night. We'll have the run of the place.
I sure hope so. Not gonna happen.
You got your papers?
Crap.
Papers, please.
Yeah. Pete, you got the papers?
The dash.
What was that?
What was what?
What?
Here you go, pal.
All right, good. Busy night tonight. Might not find a spot.
Hear
All
that?
right.
There's gonna be guys everywhere.
It'll be fine. We just gotta think on our feet.
Thinking on my feet is
Yes.
my worst thing, Sam. You know that.
Mm-hmm. We're still gonna find a spot. Hey, how's it going?
What kind of time do you guys call this? We need to have gone through these shipments by sunup.
Yeah. Sorry, we couldn't find our papers. But we found them again.
Just show us what to do, pal. We're no.
We're all new, buddy. It's just that some of us know what time we gotta clock in. Come with me.
Right. Got it. Can I join?
Okay, Tom, looks like it's on you. Get into the warehouse and find a cigar crate that's hiding the diamonds.
Okay.
They
Okay.
keep records on everything here, so search their files. You're looking for Cameroon cigars that came in on a boat called the Bohemia. Ship
Bohemia.
docked on Tuesday, 23rd. Got that?
Yeah.
Don't get caught. Don't get seen. Come find us when you're done.
Right. Got it. Stealth mission. Fun. Gunfire will raise the alarm. No shit. Really? Shooting a gun will be loud enough that people can hear it. Aww. I didn't expect that.
Got
Okay.
guys working overtime tonight.
Indeed.
That ain't even the fucking word.
Just look for something, anything out of place.
No way are we gonna get through all these crates. Not even in a week.
So you get paid
Mhm.
for a week. Quit complaining.
Okay. What now? I can take this guy down. And then take that guy down. Oh, he almost saw me. Just to be safe, I'll plop down the body over here. And same with the other guy. Just to be sure, let's plop him down here. There you go. Have fun, you two. You'll wake up in no time.
Even if I knew, I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
Guys back in DC got wind that something big's come through here. Something worth finding. The assistant director is not gonna sleep till he knows what it is.
Mm-hmm. Highway to the warehouse. I've handed the Cameroons we impounded when Bohemia might be hiding what we're looking for. See you in the morning. Good luck. Okay.
This'll help.
Come on, fellas, let's speed this up. Now, once we're done with the small crates, we'll start cracking open the big ones next door.
Money's good, but boy, these feds are assholes. Must have been through 100 baxes already.
100 baxes. Not boxes, baxes. No, I'm not making fun of the accent. I wouldn't dare to make fun of the accent. Oh! Oh, really? That's too bad. Shotgun blast to the chest, then shotgun blast to the face. Yeah, I think I'm dead. I really think I'm dead. Ah. Fun. Yes, I know, they're in the warehouse.
This'll help.
Come on, fellas, let's speed this up. Once we're done with the small crates, we start cracking open the big ones next door.
Yeah.
Good. Boy, these feds are assholes. Must have been through 100 baxes already.
100 maxes. Oh, got him? Nice. Good, good, good. Let's see the paperwork. The Bohemia D2. Okay.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm. Nothing?
None of this is any use.
Okay. Cheers anyway. Let's grab this. See what's this. Nazi demand met in Munich. Ah, yes. Because before World War II.
Nah.
Nothing. Okay, so D2. How did he see me, actually? That's what I wondered. At least he... Shut up. Okay. There's a guy over there. Whisper quiet. Got him. Let's bring him to the back. So the enemies with triangles on the minimap are the ones who have guns. I know that already. The other ones do not have guns, so technically I could just 1v1 them. Here, have fun. Enjoy your stay. Yes. So we have that guy. And let's wait a bit. Do 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 do. Hello. Oof. Continue your leisurely stroll, thank you. And you're coming with me. Let's put him in the back. They're in the warehouse, they're in sector D2. That's all the information really we have at the moment. We should have something about Tuesday the 23rd still. Oh, no. I left sneak. I forgot the control to enter sneak. Keyboard. Stalk X. Nice. Okay. And let's see. Who else do we have? Sneaky, sneaky.
Ah, crap. Place is huge.
Okay, boys, check each crate, then we start cracking them open.
There's hundreds!
Well, then lucky you. Have all night to search them.
Okay, Bohemia ship, set parameter zone 2, D3, yes, nothing much.
This'll help.
Well, I already know that they're in D2. That's no new information for me. Oh, that's 2 guys with a gun. 2 guys with a gun. 3 guys with a gun. So that guy is walking down the aisle. Okay, he's doing a corner. Second you look around, I will make my move. Thank you. And the second you look around again, I will make my move. So do it. Do it. I dare you. Double dare you. Oh, bastard, he's looking that way. This way. And that guy should be walking up. Yes. Okay. Okay. So got him. That's one. Back. Yeah, reset. Okay. Okay. Damn, this is difficult.
Place is huge.
Okay, boys, check each crate, then we start cracking them open.
There's
Yep.
hundreds!
Well, then lucky you.
I know it's in D2.
This'll help.
Or should I? Oh. Is this better timed now? It should have the same, right? Oh, honestly, it feels better.
Found him!
Back. Yeah, kill me. Okay, so taking those 3 down will be the biggest challenge as of yet.
Check each crate, then we'll start cracking them open.
There's hundreds!
Now,
Yeah.
lucky you. Have all
Mhm.
night to search them.
Get this guy. Get this guy. Ah. Okay, I can get one guy quite fast. And then instantly move him. That should be an option.
Place is huge.
Okay, boys, check each crate, then we start cracking them open.
There's hundreds!
And lucky you.
This'll
Having all
help.
night to search 'em.
Alright, so I got here. Okay, move on. Get him.
Found him!
Nope, they found me. Too bad. Okay. Ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-bum. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Place is huge.
Okay, boys, check each crate, then we start cracking them open.
There's hundreds!
Well, then lucky you.
Well then, lucky you. Get started then. Okay. And I need to get him before he reaches that spot. Or when The other starts moving. Okay, now I can get him. Okay, take the body. Drop him over here. Beautiful. The other should be easy enough, right? Like I can sit here. After that guy has passed, I have plenty of time. To get him. So the second he turns around, okay, like that, up, he moves with his back, and now I can go in for the kill. Well, not the kill, the knockdown. Then we plop him down, nice and tidy, at this spot. Let's go here. Hello. Turn around now, would you? And there we have it. That's those guys done. Now all we have left are the workers. The upstairs are cleared, for what I know at least. There are rifles, but I'm not gonna use those, since I don't want to raise the alarm. Give me this. Thank you. And down we go. There's a guy over there. That's a crate. Okay. Oh, did he see me? Did he really see me? That's disappointing. Ah, that guy saw me, for sure. Whack, whack, whack. Got him. Okay, let's have a look. Nothing.
Nothing in here.
Nothing here. Next. Oh, E3 was it? D2. D2. So this line and a couple boxes further. B. Hello. Got him. Okay. C2. Hello. Hello, friend. Bye-bye, friend. Good night. C. Then we go around and have the D section. Yes. D1. D2. So it should be this one. No?
Here either.
Should be this one.
Ah, jeez, give me a break.
You know what? It's for sure going to be this one.
Nothing in here.
Okay, it's gonna be the final one. If this is not the one, then, well...
Found them.
There he is.
Got it.
You sure we're getting what we came for?
We're aces, boys.
Good. Let's get them loaded and get out of here.
Polly, don't mess this up, please.
That's the last of them.
Let's dangle. I'm not riding in the back again.
You're a better wheelman anyway. Just don't drive us into the bay.
Yep.
Shit. You hear that? Okay, Tom, gun it.
Let's go! Let's go!
It is
Jesus, Tom, it ain't
the
comfortable
alarm.
back here, huh?
Through the gates!
There's been a break-in at the Federal Customs impound. The suspects are escaping in a customs truck. I want roadblocks everywhere.
Every cop
Wow.
in town's gonna be on their way.
So let's get out of sight. Fast as you can, Tom.
So the truck took basically all of its health and damage before I even got the time to get on the road. Yeah. Where shall I go? Shall I? Yeah. What is this? Ah, this is a nice turnaround area. Can't get out here. I'm sorry. Okay.
Another checkpoint.
Give it a wide berth, Tommy.
Yep, can't pass there. Will I be able to find an exit even? Any exit that's not blocked in.
Anyone seen the truck? Call in with news, fellas.
Nope. I'm invisible. I am the sneak. I am stealth. Stealth incarnate.
Anyone seen the truck? Call in with
No.
news, fellas.
They have not seen the truck. For I am invisible. Oh.
Shit! Another roadblock? Find a way around.
I hope they didn't see me. Cause I drove into a dead end. Hello, cops. Bye-bye, cops. I am a normal US Customs truck, not the one you're looking for. I am not the US Customs truck you're looking for. Ah, there we go. Easy enough. And now I should be just going to the other side of them, since they, well, can't notice me as long as I stay like a single street around them. Apologies, sir. Let me pass. This is where I found.
Another roadblock? Find a way around.
Yeah, I did get around. That's a roadblock as well. But I should be able to just swerve around, right?
How many cops they got out here? Gotta
All
take
of
a
them.
different route.
Not a suspicious car, just going around. No, not at all, not at all. Yeah, let's go this way. Out of the red. Straight up, shortcuts.
Where are they? Bet we'll have our guts for garters over this. Again.
Hey,
Left them behind. Yeah,
we
hopefully.
did.
Where the hell were you back in the compound? We were about to give up.
Place was a maze. It's a miracle I found the crates.
Next time we pull something like this, we need a better plan. More information.
A better plan? He got the ice, didn't he?
Yeah, but next time...
Well, next time what? We run it all through you? Escorts like these are your best thing?
Guys, I'm trying to drive here. Let's get back to the warehouse without LHPD on our tail.
Yes.
Huh?
Sure.
We got the diamonds, the boss will be happy. That's all that matters right now.
Those rocks
Yeah.
had better be as big as the goddamn Ritz for all the crates we had to
I
move
have no
tonight.
idea what the Ritz is. Priority vehicle. Alright. Well, I actually didn't think there were 6 crates of the good stuff. On first glance, it looked like it was 1 crate, and all the others were junk. Well, maybe the game decided to give us more. Hey. Oh. Driving over a bridge with this truck. I can't even get 30. Yeah, I can't even get to 30. Whew. That's sad. But let's go back to 50. Actually, why is the speed limiter like 45? Was it normal in this time? Because usually it's, isn't it like 50?
You drive like this in your old job.
Yes, I did. I believe it's 50 like in cities, not 45. Now it's 35. Oh, maybe miles per hour instead. Yeah, no, I'm thinking kilometers. My bad. Yeah, maybe that's normal for miles per hour. Actually, I have no idea. I don't know the conversion rate. Almost there. I do hope Salieri will be happy, because yeah, I feel like Tommy isn't enjoying his job anymore as a mobster. Well, he is part of the family, he's very wealthy, but besides that, it doesn't feel like he's enjoying his, well, tasks that he has to do. Definitely not a murder. This job was better, but we'll see. But there is a reason why he will want to give up Salieri for the protection of his wife and kids.
Okay? Yeah, a couple of these crates are shot to shit though.
How bad is it?
It's the worst of it.
How?
Doesn't look too good. Don's gonna be pissed if we ruined any of the cigars.
What the hell?
Christ. It's dope.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Where are the diamonds?
There ain't any. This is the real score.
No. Don said we would get diamonds.
You can open every box. You're not gonna find them.
We put
Oh shit.
fucking necks out on the line for this shit.
Looks like it.
better cool off, Polly. The Don's coming.
Shit. We don't say nothing about this to the Don. Okay, if he wanted us to know, he would have told us.
He should have come clean.
Sure, but for now, we keep our trap shut. Right?
Yeah, okay.
Paulie? Yeah. Yeah, I ain't saying nothing.
Any problems, boys?
One of the crates got a little banged up, is all.
All right? Oh, doesn't look too bad.
Might have lost a few cigars, but otherwise the merchandise should be okay, Mas.
Besides, ain't diamonds supposed to be the hardest thing around?
Outside of my cock, maybe.
Hey.
Bravo, boys, bravo. You all got a well-deserved bonus coming your way.
You want us to unload the crates into the warehouse?
No, you can take a powder. These morons are gonna take it from here.
You sure?
What'd I say?
Okay, boss. We'll dangle.
Sam, give me a lift back to the bar.
Sure, boss. You guys coming?
Nah, we'll take the train.
Okay. See you later.
Well then. Yeah, I can see why he wants to give up the Dom now. Because that ain't his business.
God damn it. I just about had it, Tommy. We got busted with all that smack, we would have died in prison.
Yeah, but what are you gonna do?
I already told you.
The bank.
Yeah. I don't care what Sam says. I'm getting that score.
How much you figure?
You want in?
We're just talking.
I knew I could count on you, pal.
Yeah. Okay.
So which bank?
Grand Imperial. Where North Park meets downtown.
Yeah, been there. A while back.
Well, the security don't look tight. Easy getaway. Tellers who don't look like they put up a fight. Can't do it alone.
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not moving black tar for the Don. Especially if he's not cutting us in. And I don't know. I just never want to be in that street again.
What street?
On my knees. Watching some poor skirt burn. Just because she got in our way.
It was the wrong place and the wrong time. Just tough luck.
Seems a bit more the kind with us.
I'm telling you, Tom. This is perfect. I wouldn't ask you to come in on this if I didn't think it was our ticket.
We'll see. I'm not signing up for the job until I see what's what. If I get pinched, Sarah's done with me.
Yep. We want to get out.
You got a family to look after. I get that. But think about what this could mean for them.
Watch it, buddy. You're treading into enemy territory without a map.
Yeah. I don't know what it's like for you going home to your wife and kid. But that's why I'm doing this. Who's gonna marry me? Nearly 40 years old and nothing to show for it but my rap sheet. But we do this, I get enough scratch to finally get out? Who knows?
You're not built for the domestic life, Polly. 6 months in, you'll put a bullet in your brain out of boredom.
Christ. I'm ready to punch my ticket right now. We sit around for 6 months, just playing cards and busting balls, and I start to get lazy. Then everything blows up and I gotta knock the rust off or I'm dead.
Yeah.
One day I'm fighting to stay awake while the Don's telling us a story about the old days. One I've already heard 100 times, and the next day I'm getting shot at, trying to keep from shitting my pants. It's fucking wearing me out, Tommy.
Ouch. I get it, you want to get out.
I know it's a snipe hunt. Every little mobster goes to bed dreaming about that last big score. But if we do this thing, I don't know. Might be just enough to get me a little pizzeria or something, you know?
Sure. But if we're doing this, We're waiting till
Yes.
things calm down.
You're already hooked, pal.
Maybe.
Mm-hmm. But first, give me the numbers. Into the lion's den. Completed. That's an achievement. Okay then. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. I'm wondering where the story will go from here. Since Tommy wants to get out, Polly wants to get out, Sam isn't all that fan of it either. So yeah. If you did enjoy, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit all the buttons and bells and whistles. And as always, see you next time. Bye.